Alright everybody, welcome to Bro Cooking with Jay. I'm your host Jay, and today we are going to filter used oil.
California dreaming about you.
Alright everybody, so what I have here is a bottle that I've just cut. I just drank all the water out of it, whatever. I should probably dry it off, doesn't matter. So I just dumped all the water out. And you just want to reuse your oil because if you're like me, you fry a lot. A paper towel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this paper towel inside this like so. And I'm gonna put it down, use it as a funnel, and I'm gonna put the oil inside. I suggest using oil that's not hot. That way you don't burn yourself. So, here we go. As you can see, it is filling in from the bottom. So that's how it looks like close up. And this is all the crap we're trying to get out. Ew. Alright, so I think we're ready to do the last bit. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so we got out all the oil. Looks something like this. So everything's filtered perfectly. And then just to show you what it caught, the reason why you do filter is because you lost all this. I know, gross. Anyways, hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and tell me in the comments below if there's a better way to do this. But I think paper towels work best. Don't try toilet paper. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.